Now, for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka ring maipakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa'yo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Napareceive
Honor.
po
Ask
ako,
and
Your
answer,
Honor.
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is 2023. I'm breaking it down.
Counsel, let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Ma'am, tanong. May dokumento kayo now na ipapakita in an impeachment trial sa harap ng ating mga senator judges, sa harap ng taong bayan na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo.
Your
Ngayon.
Honor,
That's a very clear-
I would have to register a continuing objection to this line of questioning.
Napakasimpleng tanong po, Your Honor.
Considering that it's already asked and answered. Your Honor.
Ngayon,
Counsel, you're on a short leash. I think the witness answered already from the questioning of the presiding officer himself. Although I know and understand it's for emphasis, but only it can only go so far.
yes.
The witness has already answered. So
Lako po, balurin po ninyo ito mga kababayan ng mga pangyayari sa impeachment trial ngayong araw na ito na kung saan itong si Atty. Ligutan ay nilamon ng buhay ng hostile witness mga kababayan na si Ma'am Gina Acosta. Baliktad po ang mga nangyayari. Siya po ang pinataob mga kababayan. Hindi po umubra at hindi po niya magawang maipit-ipit itong hostile witness sa kanyang mga papuging tanong. Yung mga taktika po niya ay hindi umubra. Sa matapang na ngayong si Ma'am Gina Acosta, hindi na po nagpapatinag dito kay Ligutan. Kaya ang nangyari, siya po ang nilampaso at nilamon ng buhay mga kababayan. Panoorin po ninyo. Hindi po ito fake news mga kababayan. Talagang walang nagawa itong prosecution mga kababayan. Hanggang ngayon wala pa rin po silang napapatunayan. O ito, panoorin po natin mga kababayan ang buong pangyayari.
Madam Witness, hindi po ba as the Special Disbursing Officer, SDO, kayo po ay you posted yung tinatawag na fidelity bond with the Bureau of Treasury. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, Your Honor.
At hindi rin po ba naalala nyo that you admitted na kaya kailangan kayong mag-post ng bond dahil posibleng mawala nyo ang pagkalaki-laking pera. Tama po ba? To aid your memory, we will show you transcript of stenographic notes of that 2024 November 25 hearing before the Committee on Good Government of the House of Representatives. Show the TSN, please. Tanong, Ms. Acosta, hindi po ba kayo ay natakot magbitbit ng ganitong kalaking halaga na pera considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo? Remember, you are covered by a fidelity bond, and one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money. Do you remember having answered that?
Opo, Your Honor.
You will agree na yung rason ba't kailangan mag-post ng fidelity bond yung isang accountable officer like you para maprotektahan yung pera ng bayan. Ibig sabihin, kung mawala yung pera, at least, may bond na po pwedeng makarecover yung bansa. Tanong, si Colonel Lachica ba nag-post ng fidelity bond or hindi mo rin maalala?
Ano, sir?
Okay, I will repeat the question. Sinabi natin yung rason ba't kailangan ng fidelity bond para maprotektahan yung pera pinaghirapan ng taong bayan. Tanong, si Colonel Lachica ba na pinagbigyan mo ng 125 million pesos plus 375 million pesos or a whopping total of 500 million pesos? Tanong ng bayan, Gina Acosta, si Colonel Lachica ba ay nakapag-post ng fidelity bond?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, what's the objection?
Misleading, Your Honor. I believe the witness has only testified as regards to 125 million.
Okay.
But there's no testimony yet as regards the amount mentioned by the counsel for the prosecution, Your Honor.
I will. Can I respond to that, Your Honor, please? I do
Kindly
remember-
respond, Attorney Ligutan. He has a point.
I do remember. Okay, I do remember this witness testifying. That's the same thing they did for the 3 quarters of 2023. I do remember that. It's
And
in
the question
record.
is quite simple. Tama ba yung tanong, Attorney Ligutan? Sa pagkakaalam niyo po, may bond po ba? May fidelity bond po ba? Si Colonel Lachica, tulad niyo, na SDO. Bonded po ba siya, ma'am?
Si security officer na si Colonel Lachica, na siya amo ang commanding officer sa BPSPG. Dili po siya banded, Your Honor. Pero ang accountable pa rin, Your Honor, ako gihapon, Your Honor. I am still the accountable person, Your Honor. That's why po, Your Honor, ako po ang gumawa ng liquidation, Your Honor.
That is correct, ma'am.
All
You
right.
have said that.
Yeah.
Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Now, hindi po ba, ma'am, na para sa 3 quarters of 2023, this is, I'll break the question down. You also gave 125 billion pesos para sa first quarter ng 2023 kay Colonel Lachica. Di po ba?
Nag-release po ako, Your Honor.
To Lachica.
Opo, Your Honor.
For the second quarter, 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica din. Unbundled si Lachica. You gave 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor. Kay siya po ang amuang security officer nga gitalaga ni Vice President Sara Duterte para mag-implement anang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
Alright,
Kay siya man ang naay
sir.
access, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And for the third quarter of 2023, another 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Tama. So in total, kalahating bilyong piso na pera ng taong bayan binigay mo sa isang unbonded person.
As in answered, Your Honor.
The counsel is answering.
Witness may answer. Counsel is seeking emphasis and clarification.
Nirelease ko po kay Colonel Lachica, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang tinalaga ng Vice Presidente na siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng mga project o program regarding sa operation ng confidential activities, Your
I will ask
Honor.
this question, Your Honor. Hindi po ba, ma'am, na sa iba't ibang tanong ko, paulit-ulit na yung sagot nyo kasi nga siya yung may alam sa pag-implement ng confidential activities. Hindi nyo rin po ba napansin na sa mga iba't ibang question ko sa iba't ibang punto, parang iisa na lang po yung sagot nyo? Napansin nyo po ba? Hindi.
Karon, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yun lang ang sagot ko, Your
Yes,
Honor.
okay. Now, let's go to this tree planting activity, ma'am. Sinabi nyo, pareho sa good governance program, yung socio-economic program, kino-cover din yung tinatawag ninyo na tree planting activities. Tama po ba?
Your Honor.
Ma'am, ganito po ma'am, no? Napakasimple ng tanong. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-explain ng sagot nyo, po pwede po sa pamamaraan po ng abogado ng kabila. Napakasimple po ng tanong. Para sa socio-economic program ng Office of the Vice President, isa sa mga activities na pinaggamitan ng confidential funds, sinasabi nyo, siguro pag-secure sa mga tree planting activities. Hindi po ba? Yes or no?
Ang tree planting po ay kasali po sa pinaggastusan ng confidential fund. Before po gawin ang tree planting, ang aming security officer, Your Honor, mag-conduct po sila ng surveillance, Your Honor.
Yes,
Kung
ma'am.
safe ba?
Yes, ma'am. Tama po, tama po.
Kanang action, Your Honor, part na sa
Okay.
confidential fund, Your
So
Honor.
sinasabi nyo, importante yung confidential funds para masigurado yung security ng Vice President. Tama po ba?
Nga mo plant dito sa
Now, hindi po ba noong Agosto o August 13, ilang araw pa lang, yung nakakaraan, 2026, yung Vice President nag-tree planting activity in Masibay Integrated School in Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, as can be shown in these news reports. Tanong, 2026. Ito yung tanong now. May confidential funds ba yung Office of the Vice President sa taong ito, 2026?
wala po, Your
Okay,
Honor.
wala. And despite that, despite the absence of confidential funds, nakapag-tree planting with God's blessing, nakapag-tree planting yung Vice President, nagligtas ng walang untoward incident. Tama po ba?
Irrelevant, Your Honor.
That's very much relevant, Your Honor. If I may, I can explain that.
It's part of the liquidation report of the confidential funds, Council. Why is it irrelevant?
This is for 2026, Your Honor. The question pertains to an activity in 2026, Your Honor, which is not covered by the articles of impeachment, Your Honor.
This is 2026, Council?
Yes, Your Honor. 2026, the point is, there was no confidential funds allocated and the Vice President was able to conduct one. Sinasabi ng, if I may, Your Honor.
I get your point, Council.
Yes.
I think Council was able to explain Attorney Linden. Yes, witness may answer. Ang punto lamang naman, Attorney Ligutan, correct me if I'm wrong, is kasama sa confidential funds na pinang-liquidate nila, yung tree planting, di umano, libreng sakay, yung mga enumeration nila, bagaman hindi ito sa cloud ng taong sakop ng impeachment, gusto mo lang patunayan na nagawa pa rin to kahit walang confidential funds.
Crystal clear. Yes, sir.
Yes, witness will answer if she knows, because she's the SDO for the confidential funds.
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam. Now, going back, yung nabigay mo yung 125 million pesos to Colonel La Chica, binigyan ka rin niya ng tinatawag niyong list of expenditures. Tama po ba? And then to aid your memory, ma'am, kasi nga sabi mo, hindi mo maalala yung mga nangyari. 4 years ago, I'll show you. Transcript of stenographic notes. November 25, 2024. Or even before okay yan. Naalala niyo, ma'am, na binigyan din kayo ni Colonel La Chica yung tinatawag niyong list of objects of expenditures and request for funding. Hindi po ba?
List of object of expenditure po, Your Honor.
Yes. Ano ba itong mga objects of expenditures na ito?
Yun po ang mga proposed expenses po na ma-incurred po ni Security Officer, Your Honor.
Okay, now. And then si Colonel La Chica din, yung nag-determine ano yung mga objects of expenditures, hindi po ba? Siya.
Sa kanya po galing, Your Honor.
Sa kanya galing. Now, ito yung tanong now. Ma'am, yung binigay mo yung 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel La Chica, did you ask him to sign an acknowledgement receipt or any voucher na magpapatunay na tinanggap niya galing sa'yo yung 125 million pesos?
Gipa-receive na ko siya, Your Honor.
Yung tanong is, did you ask him to sign an acknowledgement receipt? Yes or no?
Gipa-receive na ko siya, Your Honor.
Being evasive. The question is so simple.
Di ba kasama po sa liquidation report niya yung mga acknowledgement receipt na sinubmit? Iba't ibang pangalan, di po ba? Opo, di ba? Yung iba't ibang pangalan. So alam niyo po ang kahulugan na acknowledgement receipt. Ang tanong, may acknowledgement receipt bang pinirmahan si Colonel Lachica para sa binigay niyong 125 million?
Ang nalibog ko, I'm sorry, I'm confused.
No.
Paghatag na ko kay Colonel La Chica
Pagbigay niyo kay Colonel Lachica,
ng 125M, gipa-receive na ko siya, Your Honor. Did sa objects of expenditure nga gihatag niya sa ko, dito na nako siya gipa-receive, Your Honor.
Ma'am, naniniwala akong kaya niyong gamitin ang wikang Pilipino rito. Nung binigay niyo yung 125 million sa kanya, pina-receive niyo sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, may pinirmahan siyang papel na tinanggap niya yung 125 million mula sa inyo.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay.
Aba,
Tanong,
continue, Counsel.
ano yung dokumentong iyan kung saan makikita natin, ma'am, na sinasabi ni Colonel La Chica, pinirmahan niya, na tinanggap niya yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo?
Internal document namin, Your Honor. Doon po sa object of expenditures.
Okay, ma'am.
Dito na ko siya, doon ko siya pina-receive, Your Honor.
Okay, now, ano yung nakasulat sa object of expenditure na yan na magpapatunay sa sinasabi mo ngayon na tinanggap ni Colonel La Chica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo?
Gitatakan ako og receive, Your Honor. Tapos sa receive, sa below sa receive nga word, below the receive na word, doon siya nag-sign, Your Honor.
Anong sinay niya?
Gipirmahan niya. Ang
Yun.
pirma niya, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, so yung sinasabi mo now, tinatanong ka, ano yung pruweba mo na natanggap ni Colonel La Chica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo? Yung sinasabi mo now, and it's plain to see, tinatakan mo yung object of expenditure. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then sa ibabaw niyan, pinirmahan ni Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Tanong, walang nakasulat na 125 million pesos yung natanggap ni Colonel La Chica galing sa'yo sa araw na yan.
Naa, Your Honor.
Sa list of expenditures.
Naa, Your Honor.
Okay, anyways.
Meron po, Your Honor. Kasi ang nakalagay po sa object of expenditures, ito po yung purchase of information amount, then purchase of reward amount, then ano pa yung mga expenses, then total 125M.
Yes.
So, doon ko siya pina-receive, Your Honor.
Ma'am.
Pero yung dokumento yun, Your Honor, is internal po namin, Your Honor.
Anyways, I will probe deeper. Sa list of expenditure na kasulat doon, ito yung paggagamitan, tsaka ito yung nakalaan na pera. Tama po ba?
Oh, meron ganyan.
Yun lang. Yun lang. Ano yung paggagamitan, tsaka ano yung nakalaan na pera? Yun lang. Tama po ba?
Meron pa siyang sentence, paragraph, Your Honor, sa ibabaw.
Na ano?
Di ko ma-memorize na.
Hindi mo may memorize.
Di ko maalala. Basta,
Alala.
ang gibutan niya nga, I try ko magtagalog. BP Sara through Gina F. Acosta SDO. In line with the blah, 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 the following are the proposed expenses for the implementation of confidential activities for calendar year for the fourth quarter 2022. Then yun na.
Yes, ma'am.
Particulars, purchase of information with corresponding amount, blah, blah, blah. Tapos na total 125
Okay.
amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos submitted by La Chica.
Okay.
So, dito sa baba, dito ko na siya pinareceive na nireceive niya yung 125.
Okay now. Kaya nga, yun yung tanong, ma'am. Napakasimple ng tanong, ma'am eh. Paulit-ulit sabi mo, list of expenditures, nakasulat doon. Ito yung paggagamitan, ito yung nakalaan, 125 billion pesos, saka firma lang ni Colonel La Chica, saka tinatakan mo receipt. Ma'am, you are under oath. Pero sa dokumentong iyan, ma'am, walang naka-indicate doon sa isang napakasimpleng phrase. Tinanggap ko galing kay Gina F. Acosta yung perang 125 million pesos sa araw na iyan na makikita natin. Alam ng taong bayan, makikita natin yan sa kahit anong simpleng transaksyon na kung saan may palitan ng kamay sa pera. Wala yan.
Gireceive
Yes,
na yun.
Objection, Your Honor.
Approving,
Ask and
approving.
answered, Your Honor.
While indeed it was asked and answered, counsel, I think counsel is seeking clarification on this point. It affords the witness an opportunity to clarify her answer too, because she seems to be unsure. So I'll allow it for now, counsel. With your indulgence, Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung katanungan ni Attorney Ligutan.
You want me to repeat the question?
Gipa-receive ko siya, Your Honor.
Ayun, exactly. Paulit-ulit po. I think alam po natin.
Pina-receive po at internal yung papel na nagsasabing ni-receive. Hawak niyo po ba yun ngayon? May kopya po ba kayong dala ngayon?
After po nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor, kinuha po ulit ni Security Officer La Chica, Your Honor.
Yung receipt, yung resibo na tinanggap niya yung pera, kinuha niya uli.
Kinuha niya ulit, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po ako, Your Honor. Ang base po ng aking liquidation, Your Honor, is yung mga document po na binigay sa akin ni Security Officer after po, matapos po niya ma-implement on the grounds ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
Sorry po, Ma'am Gina, with the permission of counsels, with the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan as well. Nung binigay niya yung 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, may pinirmahan siyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 million. Pribadong dokumento, internal document na opisina niyo. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Nung nakapagbigay siya ng liquidation kung saan at paano niya ginastos yung binigay niyang 125 million, binawi na po niya yung pinirmahan niyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 kasi na-liquidate na po niya.
Nagbigay po siya sa akin, after po Your Honor, nagbigay siya sa akin ng reports na tinatawag po namin na Fund Utilization Report.
Yeah. Pagbigay po niya nun, binawi niya na yung pinirmahan niyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125.
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Wala pa.
Kasi aking detali po, Your Honor, na tama po ba ang kinuha niya na 125, ang binigay, ang nirelease ko sa kanya na 125, tama po ba sa kanyang binigay sa akin na Fund Utilization Report?
Okay, eksakto. Tumama.
Eksakto. So, nakagawa na ako ng accomplishment report based sa Fund Utilization Report na binigay sa akin ni CSO Officer.
Binigyan niyo na
Colonel
ba,
Lacheca.
sinoli niyo na ba yung resibo sa kanya pagkatapos nun?
After po na, tapos po na aking liquidation, na isubmit po na po sa kuwa, sa kuwa.
Doon niyo na po sinoli yung...
Kinuha na po niya, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po kami.
So
Your
wala na po sa kamay niyo, nasa kamay na po niya.
Wala na po sa akin, Your Honor.
At ganyan din po ang ginawa niyo sa taong 2023, doon sa tatlong 125. Pagkatapos niya, binigay niya yung pera, pinirmahan niya yung resibong tinanggap niya. Pagkatapos siya magbigay ng fund liquidation report at na-liquidate niya at na-submit niya na sa COA, kinuha na rin niya yung resibo at wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I will. Now,
Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
hindi po ba at this particular moment, you cannot show any document at this moment, ma'am. I'm narrowing the question, Your Honors. At this moment, wala kayong maipakitang dokumento o anuman na magpapatunay na tinanggap, inacknowledge ni Colonel Lachica yung pagtanggap niya ng 125 million pesos galing sa iyo sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Wala. Yes or no?
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm asking for now.
Actually asked and answered already.
Yes.
And I will have to sustain the objection
Yes,
already,
Honor.
counsel. That is already just for emphasis, and I think the witness has answered it
I
already.
will continue, Your Honor. Same po sa 3 quarters ng 2023, binibigay mo yung pera sa isang non-accountable officer na hindi banded. Tsaka hindi ka makakapagpakita 2023 this time ng kahit anong dokumento ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 375 million pesos in cold cash, pera ng bayan.
Objection, Your Honor.
2023.
Misleading and asked and answered, Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
It's misleading, Your Honor, because the witness did not make any testimony as regarding the claim that the security officer is not accountable, Your Honor. And it's already asked and answered, Your Honor.
Counsel, I will have to sustain the objection, but on the ground that it is compounded, and if at all it is misleading, because the 375 million was not given one time to Colonel Lachica. You
I will
totaled
break it down, Your Honor, please.
You totaled it for her. Kindly modify.
I will break it down. Para naman sa first quarter ng 2023, binigay mo rin 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm breaking it down. Yes or no?
Witness may answer.
Gi-release ko po kay security officer kasi siya po ang itinalaga ng aming Vice President, Your Honor, at siya ang nakakaalam paano i-implement ang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
There you go again. Now, for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka ring maipakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa'yo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Nagpa-receive
Honor.
po
Asked
ako,
and
Your
answered,
Honor.
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is 2023. I'm breaking it down.
Counsel, let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Ma'am, tanong. May dokumento kayo now na ipapakita in an impeachment trial sa harap ng ating mga senator judges, sa harap ng taong bayan na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa iyo.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
That's a very clear-
I would have to register a continuing objection to this line of questioning,
Napakasimpleng tanong po, Your Honor.
considering that it's already asked and answered. Your Honor.
Ngayon,
Counsel, you're on a short leash. I think the witness answered already from the questioning of the presiding officer himself. Although I know and understand it's for emphasis, but only it can only go so far.
yes.
The witness has already answered. So, ma'am, wala po kayong dokumentong hawak dahil nga binawi ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po.
Binawi po niya, Your Honor, pero nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor. Nakasubmit na po kami sa COA, Your Honor. Every time po, meron kaming confidential, Your Honor.
Opo, ma'am.
Nakaliquidate po kami, Your Honor.
Opo, naunawaan ko po
Alright.
yan. Pero klaro lang po na binawi nga po niya kaya wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung
Pagkatapos.
kinagawian na nyo noong 2022 last quarter, first, second, at third quarter ng 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo, tama. Okay. Kaya wala po kayong hawak na kahit anong dokumento ngayon dahil na kay Colonel Lachica na at binawi po niya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ma'am, ito yung tanong now. Ito yung tanong now, ma'am. Hindi po ba kakaiba. Unusual. Na yung acknowledgement receipt, babawiin ng taong pinagbigyan mo ng pera. You don't find it unusual?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Sustained. Kindly
Yes, Your Honor.
reform counsel.
In Davao City, prior to 2022, hindi po ba, ma'am, same pa rin yung procedure na ginagawa nyo? Binibigay mo yung confidential funds sa isang security officer, and then sabi mo, may acknowledgement receipt, pero binabawi ng pinagbigyan mo yung acknowledgement receipt, kaya hindi mo hawak. Tama po ba sa Davao City? Practice nyo doon.
I will have to recall, Your Honor, kay matagal na po
Yes,
kasi
okay.
yun.
Ma'am, hindi po ba ito yung nagiging method of procedure? May Latin term po tayo dyan, ma'am, ha?
May.
Method of procedure, ito yung modus operandi nyo, ibibigay yung pera sa isang security officer, hindi banded, tsaka babawiin, sinasabi mo, ng pinagbigyan ng pera ang acknowledgement receipt. Modus operandi in English, in simple English, it means method of procedure, nakagawian, practice, modus. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. It's misleading because there's no the witness testified that she does not remember.
No? Counsel, we both know modus has a secondary and double meaning. You can always use, is this the standard operating procedure that you followed when you were SDO in both Davao and under the OVP? Ito,
Yes.
ito po ba yung kinagawian ninyong practice at proseso nung kayo po ay SDO ng Davao, kaugnay ng confidential fund, at nung kayo ay SDO ng OVP, na yung pagbibigyan nyo, security officer o sino man, hindi banded, pipirma na acknowledgement receipt, at pag nagbigay na siya ng fund liquidation report, fund utilization report, at nakaliquidate na kayo sa COA, babawi na.
Opo, Your Honor.
Opo. Now, let me proceed. Cash disbursement record. You are aware ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record or CDR. Let's go to paragraphs 7.1, 7.2. Your Honor, I endeavor to finish this before 12. I promise, Your Honor. 7.1.